Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Kulala stainless steel hair cutting scissors, a 6.5-inch professional grade tool for hairdressing at home or in the salon. Whether you're trimming your own hair, your kids, or providing a salon-quality cut, these scissors are marketed as suitable for everyone, from men and women to even the tiniest family members. Let's break down if they really live up to their promise. These scissors are made from high-grade Japanese stainless steel, which not only ensures long-term durability, but also provides razor-sharp blades for a clean, precise cut every time. With an adjustable tension screw and a comfortable finger rest, these shears are designed to cater to professionals and beginners alike. The included comb is a thoughtful touch, helping you maintain control during your cuts. But how do these scissors perform in real-life scenarios? During my use, I found that the scissors glide smoothly through various hair types. The adjustable tension is a real plus because you can tailor the resistance to your cutting style. Whether you're trimming thick locks or working on delicate baby hair, these shears provide enough versatility to handle it all. I found the ergonomics really supportive during extended use. No wrist fatigue here, thanks to the well-positioned finger rest. Performance-wise, the Kulala scissors truly excel in delivering sharp, effortless cuts. The Japanese stainless steel stays sharp longer, making these an excellent option if you're looking to reduce trips to the sharpener. They're particularly useful when making quick touch-ups at home, as they offer precision close to what you'd expect from a professional salon tool. However, for those accustomed to ultra-high-end salon shears, they might not feel as premium or as specialized. A quick call to action. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews and hairstyling tips. Let's touch on the pros and cons. The biggest pro is their versatility. These scissors are designed for just about anyone, including babies and kids, thanks to their smooth cutting action and comfortable design. Another strength is their durability. Being made from high-quality stainless steel, they're resistant to rust and keep their edge longer compared to many cheaper models. On the flip side, some users might find that, despite being adjustable, the tension screw can become loose with repeated use. It's also worth noting that, although these scissors do provide professional-level cutting ability, they don't quite match the feel of premium, high-end salon scissors, which typically come with a higher level of craftsmanship and balance. Now, in comparison with similar products, I've tried other entry-level professional shears, such as those from Equinox, and found them to be in a similar price range, but slightly better balanced. The Kulala model is, however, more versatile when it comes to family use, thanks to the included comb and the adjustable finger rest, which makes it comfortable for a wide variety of users. Value for money is a critical aspect, and at their price point, these scissors are definitely a worthwhile investment. They cost a fraction of what you'd pay for premium salon tools, but offer features that easily support both home use and casual salon use. Cheaper alternatives like budget shears often don't provide the same sharpness or durability, meaning you'll spend more time and effort getting the perfect cut. However, if you're looking for a basic pair for occasional trims, those might suffice. Just know you're trading off on the longevity and sharpness. Build quality here is another high point. The Japanese stainless steel is both strong and rust-resistant, giving these scissors a solid construction that's made to last. The finish is smooth, and all parts fit snugly, which is always a good sign in terms of quality. As for ease of use, these scissors are truly beginner-friendly. The ergonomic design, combined with an adjustable tension feature, makes them very forgiving for someone who's not a pro, but wants to attempt their own trims. On the downside, those with smaller hands might find these a little bulky initially, but with some adjustment, they work just fine. If we talk about customer support, it's fairly straightforward. You're purchasing these through typical e-commerce platforms, where warranty information is limited, but return policies are clear. No direct experiences with support to mention, which often means a positive buying experience overall. No firmware or software updates here, just classic, reliable shears that don't need tech enhancements. In summary, these Kulala scissors are an excellent choice for anyone needing a versatile cutting tool for the entire family. They combine durability, comfort, and precision at a price point that's very budget-friendly, making them a solid investment for both amateurs and semi-professionals. Who's the target audience here? These scissors are perfect for DIY hair enthusiasts, parents cutting their children's hair, or even beginner barbers looking for an affordable, yet dependable tool. If you need scissors that can cut across different ages and hair types, this is a fitting choice. Longevity-wise, these shears should last you a good while if taken care of properly. Keep them clean, store them well, and they should hold their sharpness for a considerable amount of time. Thanks so much for watching today's review. If you're interested in grabbing the Kulala stainless steel hair cutting scissors, you can find the link down in the comments section below. Feel free to ask any questions about these scissors or share your experiences if you've already used them. I'd love to hear your thoughts.